Hello friends, this is Ray from Ray&Anne at Home, and today I'll be showing you a little video on how to repair these pillar bases that were kind of rotted out. Today's a beautiful day in New England. I wanted to get this done before the weather turns hot, which it's supposed to do in the next couple days up into the mid to high 90s here in New England. So this is what it looks like after it's been taken apart. There's 3 different pieces that go to this base. I'll show you on this one here. It has a top molding, and underneath that there's four blocks to go around each side, and the bottom there's like a base plate that fits around. I'll have to remove that because see how the weather got to the top moldings. I think those were meant for indoor use only. So I'll be taking that apart. I had some ant infestation too on the other one. You can see there's some ants on this one also, so it's probably gonna have the same problem. I had to fill in some holes that the ants were got into. They were chewing away at it. And put this up on the stand so you can see what I'm doing on the saw. Not on the saw, but on my work table. Yeah, what I'm going to be doing is just assembling these with the nail gun. Nothing really complicated. I'll try and get some good shots into that for you. That's get you all in frame. Yeah, so it's pretty basic. Attach my nail gun to the air. What you want to do is I have these pieces that mount onto these. What you really want to do is just get them centered on there as good as you can. It's certainly easier to nail them with a nail gun than it is to nail them by hand. Nail them by hand, you kind of need an extra hand. This is way easier. One. I put that on the wrong way. That's okay, I'll just paint it after. I wanted to put it on the unfinished side. Put the painted side on the bottom. Oh well. Suppose it won't kill it if one side doesn't have any paint on it. You just get them centered as close as you can by eye. I could take this one apart. Probably not. Oh well. This one here is smaller. That one will line up edge to edge without any problem. It's easier to center. It's the same size. Pretty easy with a nail gun. Yeah, I put these all on the wrong way. Not being careful enough what I'm doing here. That happens when you're making a video. You think you're doing things right, but then you screw it up anyway. This nail looks like it's a little bit longer. That lined up. Shoot a couple of nails into it. And that's that pretty much. The next thing you want to do is you want to assemble them up on the pillar. You readjust the camera for that. So you can see what I'm doing here. Try not to stand right in the way of your view. Stand off to the side a little bit. Yeah, these pieces just go on here like so. Two longer ones and two shorter ones. Of course, you'll have to fill in all the cracks with caulking after you're done. Keep all the bugs out. But it's pretty straightforward. Just get in there and nail them up. Try and get them fitting as tightly as you can. Anybody that's doing home repairs, telling you having a nail gun and a little compressor is really well worth the investment. the tool you're going to use all the time. This is a nice one. This is a DeWalt. I just bought this one. It's my other one stopped working. I'm going to try and repair it, but for now I have this one to use. And after you do that, you put on your top moldings that I have here. These are also pre-painted. Yeah, these just sit on top, like so. And after this is all done, I'll caulk it again. Put some more paint on it, put a finished coat of paint on everything. And you'll have all new wood on there. Should last quite a while. That's that. There you go. Yeah, it's not a huge job by any stretch of the imagination, but it's just a little something I can show you that you can do. Without too much difficulty. And I'll go in there and I'll caulk all the seams, and it'll be like brand new again. And I'll take this one here apart and do the same thing to that one. Yeah, like I said, having that nail gun is really a great thing to have with a little pancake compressor. It's nice and portable. You can take that around the yard or the house and do whatever you want to do with it. Very handy item. So I think that's all I have to tell you about this one today. Thank you for watching. This is Ray from Ray&Anne at Home. Please like and subscribe, and I'll try and bring some other content out to you pretty soon. So until then, God bless, be safe, and have a good day.